Welcome to my channel friends. Today we are going to discuss CTET previous exam and most expected 25 questions of language 1, that is English. Topic is learning and acquisition. So the exams are very near. Without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is, which of the following is a prerequisite to learning a language? Answer is motivation. Question number 2 is, learning a language is a, answer is gradual process. So let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, learning acquisition can be automatically attained. This statement is favored by, answer is cognitivists. So let's move to question number 4. Mother tongue occurs only when, answer is the child has exposure to the language. Let's move to the question number 5. Mother tongue influence can be effectively minimized in the classroom by, answer is giving inputs from the target language. Let's move to question number 6. A teacher is explaining a new concept in the classroom. Shia knows the meaning of difficult words and concept. She also understands the concept without any difficulty. She is good in. इसमें पूछा गया है कि वो जो है गुड किस में है. आंसर इज कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज, according to Vygotsky, learning is in a child or adult takes place due to, answer is social interaction. Question number 8 is, according to Piaget, learning occurs due to, most important question, answer is assimilation and adaptation. Let's move to question number 9. The child suffer from lack of self-esteem when they are, answer is not able to express their feelings. Question number 10 is, for a small child words, for a small child words are, जो एक छोटा बच्चा होता है उसके लिए जो शब्द है वो क्या होते हैं, मतलब क्या अहमियत होती है उसकी. एन इफेक्टिव टूल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, बेस्ट वे टू एक्सप्रेस फीलिंग्स. सो in case only one option is giving there, you have to tick only one option, but in case both the options are there, you have to tick A and B. Let's move to question number 11. Question number 11 is, a teacher in class 2nd shows the real objects one by one and then calls out its name. His purpose in doing this activity is, answer is helping learners to acquire. Let's move to next question, that is question number 12. The best way to develop the child's vocabulary at the initial stage is to, answer is engaging in talk with the child and reading out aloud. Question number 13 is, for a first generation learners, learning second language means English can be easy if the learners lived in a home environment first, and B है if learners is highly motivated. Friends, here you have to mention only one thing, that if only one option is given in the exams, you have to choose one option, and if both options are there, you have to choose option that option where A and B are A and C is written. Let's move to next question, that is question number 14. Child of 2 falls ill very often. He has to be absent from class, seek medical advice again and again. This problem will affect his, अगर कोई बच्चा जो है बार बार बीमार पड़ता है, ठीक है, वो एब्सेंट होता है, तो उसको जो है बार बार जो है मेडिकल एडवाइस की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है इसका इफेक्ट जो है कहाँ पे पड़ेगा, आंसर इज लर्निंग सेकंड लैंग्वेज. जब वो जो है सेकंड लैंग्वेज जो है लर्न करेगा तो उसके ऊपर इसका जो है बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा प्रभाव पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इज, व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स लर्न अ लैंग्वेज for bright employment opportunities. Their motivation is, answer is intrinsic. Let's move to next question. Question number 16. The process of word formation consists of, answer is conversion and meaning. Let's move to next question. Question number 17. Which learning domain constitutes the higher order of thinking? Answer is application. Let's move to next question. That is question number 18. The process of word formation consists of, answer is compounding and affixes. Let's move to next question. That is question number 19. Providing students dash can encourage second language acquisition. Answer is the opportunities to voice their opinions and to solve problems in the target. Let's move to next question. Next question is question number 20. Generally speaking, the first language is, I repeat the question. Generally speaking, the first language is, answer is marked by influences of the school environment the child is studying in. Let's move to question number 21. Learning is better achieved if what students learn. Answer is functional in terms of their life, values and goals. Let's move to next question. That is question number 22. The acquired system or acquisition of a language is the, answer is subconscious process of learning. Let's move to next question. That is question number 23. Active vocabulary consists of words which, answer is we use frequently in our daily life. Let's move to next question. That is question number 24. The study of words and their meaning is known as, answer is semantics. Let's move to next question. Friends, here we have completed our 24 questions. Now 2 questions for you, that is check your progress. First question is, the second language should taught through what? जो second language है वो किसके द्वारा जो है सिखाई जानी चाहिए. एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, अ वर्ड गेट्स इट्स मीनिंग फ्रॉम बट. जो एक वर्ड है वो कहाँ से उसका जो मीनिंग है मिलता है. सो दीज आर 2 क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू गाइज. इफ यू नो द आंसर प्लीज कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. एंड इफ you wish to have the PDF of these 24 questions, please comment in the comment box and I will send you the PDF. So thanks for watching this video guys. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.